Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make shrimp fajitas. First, let's get our ingredients ready. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh shrimp, some colorful bell peppers, and a sweet onion. Make sure to peel and devine your shrimp for the best texture. Then, slice all your vegetables into nice, thin strips so they cook evenly and quickly. This prep work is key to a fantastic fajita experience. Now, let's get those veggies cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over a medium-high flame. Once hot, add your sliced bell peppers and onions. Sauté them for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until they are tender crisp but still have a slight bite. Finish by stirring in 1 tablespoon of your favorite fajita seasoning to infuse them with incredible flavor. With your veggies perfectly cooked, it's time for the star of the show, the shrimp. Add your 1 pound of seasoned shrimp directly into the skillet with the vegetables. Cook them for just 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they turn a beautiful pink and become opaque. Remember, shrimp cooks very quickly, so be careful not to overcook them. We want them tender and juicy, not rubbery. Finally, let's assemble these amazing shrimp fajitas. Warm 8 to 10 flour tortillas in the microwave for about 30 seconds, or heat them gently on a dry skillet. Fill each warm tortilla generously with your flavorful shrimp and vegetable mixture. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Garnish with fresh cilantro, a squeeze of lime, and any other toppings you love. Enjoy your homemade, restaurant-quality fajitas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.